On this vote, the ayes are 219, the nays are 212.
It was a close victory for the president, but a victory nonetheless.
We pushed back on the undue influence of special interests. We didn't give in to mistrust or to cynicism or to fear. Instead, we proved that we are still a people capable of doing big things.
He staked his young presidency on the outcome of this vote. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said much is at stake.
The best action that we can take on behalf of America's family budgets and on behalf of the federal budget is to pass health care reform.
Republicans stood united in opposition to the legislation, claiming it would cost too much and put the government in firm control of the health care system. As the debate came to a close, House Minority Leader John Boehner issued a warning.
We have failed to listen to America, and we have failed to reflect the will of our constituents.
The passions at play were evident both inside and outside the House chamber. Protesters gathered on the Capitol lawn, yelling in an attempt to make their own voices heard in the debate. There was anger from a woman from the state of Georgia.
There needs to be something done, but this is not it.
And there was fear in the voice of a man from Missouri.
It needs to be reformed. It is broken, but spending us into oblivion is not the way to do it.
Supporters of the bill were there too. Jesse Jackson, a veteran of the civil rights movement, stood in the shadow of the Capitol as a witness to history.
To win this battle today is a major step toward changing our entire health system.
Nearby, there were a few people holding signs backing the bill. They were outnumbered by the opponents, but they could sense a legislative victory.
It's a start. I'm just really excited. I had to be down here today.
It was a day for the history books, but not the end of the story. While the health care bill has cleared Congress, the Senate must still sign off on a series of changes approved by the House, and opponents are already making plans to challenge the law in court. Paula Wolfson, VOA News, Washington.